So right now I'm gonna be walking through how to change your Android phone IP location. Go to your Android phone settings app and tap on connections and go to Wi-Fi settings, and now here you will see your connected Wi-Fi network. So for example, I want to change IP address for this network, so I'm tapping on settings, and once you're in the settings page, tap on show more or view more, and here first of all tap on IP settings and select static, and here you will get the box to easily change your Wi-Fi IP address. Just go ahead and retype the new IP address and then tap on save. Once you successfully saved, again tap on IP settings and select this first option and tap on save, and you have successfully changed your Android phone IP location. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.